evening, traders. This is Brian with TraderShark.com, an educational website to learn how to trade the S&P E-mini futures. Today is Thursday, August 25th, 2011. The following are examples of trade setups that occur on a regular basis. We are showing 5 valid trade setups for a potential loss of minus 6 ES ticks. The market opened up this morning at 1181.75. That's represented by this white dotted line here. We don't usually trade the first 15 minutes of the day unless the market sets up for a trade in the direction of the gap. We had that opportunity. Target 1 and target 2 were hit for a total of 10 ES ticks. Now I wrote them in yellow because they're not according to the trade plan. Trade plan says no trades in the no trade zone, but we do have an exception to that rule, is when the market sets up with a trade in the direction of the gap fill. Coming out of the no trade zone, we do not have any opportunities, but the market did continue to sell off into the half gap. We then had an opportunity to get long. Target 1 was hit and we got stopped out for minus 2 ticks. We then had an opportunity to get short. Price action then found support here at the Globex range low. At the Globex, we found we had an opportunity to get long. In hindsight, it was really a bad choice. The market internals, everything within us was just way too tight. We got long. We took a full stop out, minus 16 ES ticks. Everything, in hindsight, it's 2020. But when we look at it, we got anxious and tried to get in, and the market continued to sell off. Came down to the hourly range low for support. In the room, we draw specific rectangle areas of major support. So we were looking for areas to get long anywhere in through here. Coming out of the hourly range support, we had an opportunity to get long. Target 1 and target 2 were hit for a total of 16 ES ticks. We then had what's called a dive trade inside the Shark Den, and we attempted a dive trade on this. Target 1 was hit. We got stopped out for minus 4 ticks prior to going into the no trade zone. This is a no trade zone from 11:30 until 1:15 Eastern Standard Time. In the no trade zone, again, we don't trade it, so I'm not going to count it, but we started to see a real strong setup here at about 110, and the no trade zone goes through 115, so you have to apply a little bit of art form, black and white methodology. With that being said, we had an opportunity to get long. Target 1 and target 2 were hit for a total of 15 ES ticks. When they're in yellow, I'm not counting them for the daily video because they did not fall according to the basic trading plan. We had another opportunity to get long. We had another dive opportunity here. Target 1 and target 2 were hit for a total of 16 ES ticks. We had an opportunity to get long. Coming in at around a little after 2:30, we had an opportunity to get long. Target 1 was hit. We got stopped out for minus 2 ticks. I personally don't usually trade between 2:30 and 3:30 Eastern Standard Time, but I'm still showing the setups. We had another opportunity to get short. Target 1 was hit and we got stopped out for minus 2 ticks. And then no further trade setups for the rest of the day. So all in all, we had a total of 5 trades. We took a loss for minus 6 ticks, but actually ended up profitable based on the trades we take inside the Shark Den. To learn more about these and more advanced trade setups, or to get a copy of the Trader Shark trading manual and trade plan, please visit TraderShark.com. Thank you and have a great evening.